Once children stop being children, they become teenagers, and teenagers aren't as interested in toys. But teenagers are taking a much larger interest in the issues that plague our world. LEGO thrives on creativity, breathes it, and we believe LEGO can inspire others to tackle these issues by building creative solutions. In conjunction with LEGO Ideas, the Rebuild the World extension will raise awareness and earn some much needed money for charities that tackle these issues. Each month, a cause will be announced on the platform and promoted through QR codes on bricks at public builds as well as posters. With a limit of 500 items from an extensive library of bricks, minifigures and accessories, teenagers will have a canvas to build insane solutions to very real problems. With a stock animation accompanying these builds, users can share them on social media and the community will vote for the best of the best. The winning projects will then be created and sold online. 20% of the profits from these new sets will go directly to these charities, together with any donations made by the community itself. An online forum will connect this community, giving teens the chance to converse with the charities themselves. A LEGO Snapchat filter will also allow users to pick from a wide variety of bricks to get more people in the know. And if you raise enough awareness, you might even become a cause ambassador. Your account will earn badges and perhaps even a discount on your next purchase. Rebuilding the world is going to be hard, but the teens of today will be the ones to rebuild the world of tomorrow. And LEGO can inspire them to make a difference.